let's assume I came to preach this morning. Let me make an assumption here. And you arrange seats all over here, and all the seats were empty apart from just these two rows. So I was preaching to these two rows, and all the seats were empty. Now, hear this. So I felt bad after preaching. All right? And when I got back home, I said, I need to pray about the Abuja church. So what I do is I take that image of two rows with empty seats there, and I begin Magala. I'm doing the wrong thing. What I'm doing is I am enforcing what I saw, that is the condition upon that congregation. And I'm making it more difficult for that congregation to grow by that prayer I am offering. I'm going to show you. What I should do is I take the photograph of the empty seat. I go home and I call somebody in the office, work on this computer, insert human beings on all these seats. I want to show you what I'm saying. Now they insert human beings and it's full as it is now. Then I take that image now and I begin to pray upon that. What I'm doing is I'm now praying. I want to show you. I'm praying that image on that particular one to exchange it.